Now today we're cooking country ribs, and these were frozen. Now I've got butter in the skillet and just put the lid over it for a bit, let it thaw out and cook, and we're gonna have some good ribs today. And here is the finished product. Look at those beauties. We've got Redmond's smoked hickory salt, Redmond's real salt, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese on these country ribs. And I'm about to dig in, y'all, and you have a wonderful day. Just keep on salivating over these delicious pieces of meat.